My name is Wesley Lackey, and I'm a board-certified orthopedic surgeon here at Midwest Center for Joint Replacement. I'm fellowship trained in adult reconstruction, specifically hip and knee replacement. When thinking about why MCJR exists, we exist to take the pain out of joint replacement. Mobility is life. Patients that put off a joint replacement for too long and come in with significant disability have a lower likelihood of returning to a high level of function. The goal is to get them back to where they were before. We want to keep patients doing what they love to do so that they live longer and healthier and happier lives. Patients will see a difference in MCJR in the way they're treated, and that comes with the team effort and the team approach. Our team at MCJR is like family. We've worked together for years. We've taken care of thousands of patients, walking them through their joint replacement journey. And from first phone call to last follow-up, patients feel that team approach. And that does mean better pain control during and after surgery and recovery, but it also means access to appointments. We have a person that answers the phone, not a voice tree. A consultation is quick and simple, and x-rays are right here in the office and take just a few minutes. We have same-week appointments available in multiple locations. At MCJR, it's important for all of us to give back to our community because we live here and we're a part of it, and we want to care for the people of Indiana. I tell patients that hips and knees that wear out when they shouldn't wear out is a reminder of the brokenness that's in our world, and us being able to give back by restoring people's mobility and taking away pain is just a little taste of the redemption that all things need.